Hey Lemon Squad, new video coming at ya. Today, I will show my Foody fidgets. First one, why can't you include this? It's literally peas. Oh, how cute. Next fidget, popsicles. I mean, who really doesn't like popsicles? So this is definitely one of my favorite fidgets. I really like it. But I know what my absolute favorite Fruity fidget is, my strawberry Neato. I've been wanting this so long, and I just did a trade with my friend, and I got it. So my friend is actually she's over at Love and Laugh with Lily. So yes, one of my very good friends. Hope you like this video. Bye.